Do you feel the traction in lumbar spine? The stretch is coming now?
Yes.
This is enough or you want a little bit more?
A bit more, please.
Yeah, I think this is enough. Okay?
Yeah.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Last time, breathe in, breathe out. So previously when I placed both the thumbs, you feel a bony part on the left side.
Yeah.
Now what do you feel? Both sides?
I don't feel any problem now.
So
previous
both the thumbs are equally touching, na?
Yes.